Hey guys, Tiger with Garage Dream Auctions here. Behind me we have a beautiful 1970 Mustang Fastback Restomod. It's finished in red with a red and black interior. Let's just take a look at this one. So this car does have a 351 Cleveland. It's fuel injected and the fuel injection has been updated, so fresh fuel injection on it. It also has the 6-speed C4 automatic transmission. I guess this is a racing transmission, so kind of optimized for the 351. Take a look at the interior here. It has red suede inserts on the seats. Really nice touch. Kind of complements the red exterior with the black leather seats. No cracks on the dash. Let's take a look. The paint is about a 10-year-old or so paint job. It is clean, but there's one issue that I noted. Let's take a look on the other side here. Has this, I don't know what you would call this, big old crack in it. So apparently someone bumped into him and took off, so that's very unfortunate, but it's part of life, I guess. Anyway, let's keep taking a look. It's got the slotted rotors, four-wheel discs all the way around. You can tell it's a 351 because it says 351 Cleveland 4-valve right here. So. And then we got discs again. I do love this touch. It has the, what would you call this fuel cap? What kind of style is this? NASCAR. It's the NASCAR styled fuel cap, which really adds to the muscle car aesthetic of this Fastback. It's got the low wing back here. Yeah, overall, really neat car. The interior is in excellent condition, but I'll stop talking about it now and we can get into the B-roll so you guys can really get a good look at this car in depth. So without further ado, let's get into it. Thank you guys.